Okay guys, really quick update with Bitcoin. So look, this level needs to hold if you're expecting us to push much higher. If you think it's possible we're going to test 100K or even higher, this level does need to hold. If you watched the previous video, guys, I explained to you why this level was so important, but I saw some comments where you said short $97,000. No, I said that would be a 0.2 chance of short, but I said if we get above, then, well, just listen to what I said. And I'll link up this video now if you want to check it out. Again, resistance again, we pushed above it, it became support, and there's resistance, support. So you can see that this is a very key level. So if we get above 96,800 and that holds the support, then maybe we'll do something like this. We'll push above briefly and come back down, and that's probably how we'll tap 100,000 or higher. So all I was saying, guys, was this is a very key level. This would be a 0.2 chance of short. If we get above and hold support, then we are going much higher. And that is how we pushed up to test 99,000. So again, that's all I was saying. If we could get rejected, if you would have shorted here, you did well. You shorted here, you did well. You shorted here, you did well. If you shorted here, yeah, not so much. But you can see it became support until we broke it and then we dropped. So I was saying that's what I was saying. It was a 0.2 chance of short. But this level needs to hold. If you're expecting us to push higher and go up and test 100,000, 115,000, whatever you guys think we probably could hit if we push up, I'm just saying that level needs to hold. And that is this yellow line right here. And that is on the, this is on the 15-minute right now. So that level needs to hold. I mentioned this previously in other videos. This fib channel line, every time we cross it, we get a drop. By the way, I use this CME futures chart. I'll show you what I'm talking about in Discord. It can help you actually find the tops. I was scalping, when we were moving up and down this channel. The CME could, I'll show what I'm talking about. Before I do that, guys, if you want to get a leverage trading, great exchange to use, no KYC, is Coincatch. If you want to sign up, the link's pinned in the first comment description. It's a tutorial video teaching you how to create an account, set up an account, and trade using all the features. I'll link this video now if you want to check it out. So under Discord, I made a post, and when I was scalping, I noticed the CME futures at one point was up at 99.6. So price got a pump. Price was a lot lower than that. When we pushed up, that's where I took my profit, and that's how I found these fib channels. I'll show you in just a minute on H1. But I made a post yesterday. It says CME was at 90, or CME is now at 98.5K. It was at 99.6K, and that's where I took profit on where we got one of those pumps. But just pay attention to the CME chart, because if price is lower and you start seeing the CME push up, that's pretty much where price will push up and top out. So you can use a CME futures chart as an idea if we get a pump where to take profit. And as you can see on this chart right here, that the CME was kind of following. So the price would be down here, and you start seeing the CME price start pushing up, and when we get a pump, we would top at this place, or top at this resistance level here. But either way, like I said, you can see we're pushing up from 97,193. We still have a lot of liquidity at 100K. Maybe it was a trap. I don't know. I'm sure there was a lot of sell orders there. I imagine Wells wanted to get out before we hit that price. Why would they, push price all the way up to that point, let retail sell, the Wells would sell before? But bottom line, all I'm saying is, as I said in the last video, as long as we hold above this level, this yellow line that I talked about in the previous video right here, this is the same line on the daily, as long as we hold above this point, above 97,193, around that area, and we get back above our resistance, which is around 99,185, then we have a chance to go much higher. If we break below 97,193 and that becomes resistance, then I think pretty much we have some ways down, and that's what I was talking about, a possible correction down to some key support levels before we push higher. But in my opinion, this is the level that needs to hold, and you can see we came down, touched it pretty much to the damn dollar and pushed up. And guys, I keep everyone updated in Discord. Yet again, we crossed that fib line and got a drop. I've been talking about this. Every time we cross this line, we get a drop. We get a drop here. We crossed it and we got a drop. And then I said your next point too long was 97,000 when we hit that point. And we pushed up from there, as you can see. So again, guys, just pay attention, see if we hold above 97,193. I also talked about shorts in the previous video. This is Bitfinex shorts, and I talked about the correlation between, iFinex owns Bitfinex and USDT. If If you'll take note, shorts were at its lowest point at this fib channel line here at 97. Make these bigger so you can see it. At 97,094. And notice that shorts found support. So what this means is when shorts are stacking, that means price is dropping. People are shorting because price is dropping. So all I'm saying is pay attention to these shorts. If you start pushing up, price is coming down. That also means if we push up and get rejected here, right, shorts stop at this point and start coming down, that means Bitcoin's going to push up. So you can use, shorts as an example. Actually, you can chart this. I mentioned in the previous video, go watch it. I showed you how I, added this fib channel and what these levels represent. But just pay attention, again, use the CME futures chart. That kind of dictates where price is going. And keep in mind, guys, the DXY just shot up. So we're above 107. It pushed all the way up to 108. So the DXY is pushing up. We'll have to follow or pay attention to what happens with the indices. Indices are up a little bit today. But just bottom line, guys, I just wanted to let you know that, I did tell you this was a 0.2 chance of short. But if we hold above it, yes, then something like this could play out right here. All right, that's all I was saying. So those people that are leaving comments, if you didn't listen and watch the whole damn video, that's on you. But again, 97,193 around that area. If we break below that, that becomes resistance. Expects a lot more downside. In the meantime, as long as we hold above 97,000, maybe we'll push up. We'll take out the 100K and possibly go higher. But the next key resistance looks to be around 99,300 up to, well, that's 99,979 right there, or 790. Sorry, I haven't had my coffee yet. But guys, that's pretty much it. Again, if you want to get leverage trading, Coincatch is a great option. It's no KYC. Link sign up, spin first comment description. Check out this video if you're learning how to trade using leverage. And that's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.